What if your biggest roadblock isn't your lack of skill but the way you think? Your mindset is the most powerful tool you have when learning new skills, especially in programming. Discover how shifting your mindset can unlock your potential and lead you to success. A fixed mindset can trap you in a cycle of self-doubt, where you believe abilities are static and unchangeable. The growth mindset recognizes that abilities can be developed through dedication, hard work, and perseverance. Embracing a growth mindset helps you see challenges as opportunities rather than threats. Your mindset directly impacts how you handle obstacles, failures, and the overall learning process. Breaking free from the fixed mindset. Why do some people give up so easily, while others keep going? At the core of many struggles is the fixed mindset. Understanding its limitations can help you break free and thrive in your learning journey. The fixed mindset convinces you that if you can't do something right away, you never will. It leads to a fear of failure, causing you to avoid challenges and miss out on growth opportunities. Shifting away from this mindset can open the door to continuous improvement and resilience. Recognizing the adaptability of your brain is key to overcoming the fixed mindset. The growth mindset, your key to mastery. What if you could get better at anything, simply by changing the way you think? The growth mindset is not just about positive thinking, it's about recognizing that your efforts directly lead to improvement. Here's how to harness this mindset for success. Effort and persistence. Believe that with time and dedication, you can master any skill. Embrace challenges. See challenges as chances to grow, not as threats to your self-worth. Learn from mistakes. Understand that failures are valuable learning experiences, not reflections of your abilities. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and reward your efforts, no matter how small, to reinforce a positive cycle of growth. Grit, the fuel for your growth mindset. How do some people manage to stick with difficult tasks until they succeed? Grit is the secret ingredient that makes the growth mindset actionable. It's the passion and perseverance you need to stay committed to your long-term goals. Passion. Find your deep interest or purpose in learning, which will sustain your motivation over time. Perseverance. Keep pushing forward, even when progress seems slow or obstacles appear insurmountable. Long-term goals. Focus on where you want to be in the future, not just immediate successes or failures. Endurance. Understand that the journey is long, and success often comes from consistent effort over time. Struggling? Here's why it's a good thing. What if struggling is exactly what you need to succeed? Struggles and challenges are often seen as setbacks, but they're actually the moments where real learning and growth happen. Embrace these moments to reach your full potential. Growth through struggle. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to develop deeper understanding and skills. Persistence pays off. The more you struggle with a concept or problem, the more you learn when you finally overcome it. Reflection. Use your struggles as a mirror to reflect on what you've learned and how far you've come. Celebrate small wins. Each victory, no matter how small, is proof of your growing abilities. Cultivating a growth mindset and grit, a roadmap. How can you turn the idea of growth into a daily reality? It's one thing to understand the growth mindset and grit, but how do you actually live it? Here's a roadmap to help you apply these concepts to your everyday life. Seek challenges. Don't avoid difficult problems. Tackle them head-on to stretch your abilities. Value effort over talent. Recognize that consistent effort is what leads to mastery, not just natural talent. Learn from setbacks. Treat failures as learning opportunities, and adapt your strategies based on what you learn. Adopt the not yet attitude. Replace I can't do this with I can't do this yet to keep yourself motivated. Turning doubt into confidence. The ultimate transformation. Can you really turn self-doubt into unshakable confidence? Doubt is a natural part of the learning process, but it doesn't have to be a barrier. Here's how to transform doubt into the confidence that will drive your success. Reflect on success. Look back at what you've already accomplished to remind yourself of your capabilities. Build confidence over time. Each time you push through doubt, you build a foundation of confidence that will support you in future challenges. Keep the big picture in mind. Remember your long-term goals, and don't let temporary setbacks derail your progress. Use doubt as motivation. Let doubt fuel your determination to prove to yourself that you can achieve your goals. Conclusion. Embrace the journey, not just the destination. What if the process of learning is just as important as the end result? Your mindset and grit are the keys to long-term success, not just in programming but in any area of life. By embracing challenges, persisting through difficulties, and continuously reflecting on your progress, you'll find that the journey itself is where real growth and success happen. Focus on growth. Keep pushing yourself to learn and grow, no matter where you are in your journey. Stay committed. Remember that grit is about sticking with your goals over the long term, even when it's tough. Celebrate progress. Regularly reflect on how far you've come, and use that as motivation to keep moving forward. Enjoy the process. The path to mastery is long, but it's also rewarding. Embrace each step, and take pride in your journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.